fast you can, off track, left entry. Oh no, the car's on fire. Oi, what are you doing here? This is like the future and stuff. No, generally what I'm doing is I'm just trying to work out where to put the pull cable for the fire extinguisher system. There's lots of ways that you can sponsor the team or a car or even an event. One way to help sponsor us is we're getting really close to buying the fire suppression system for the Rally Mini. And we have a GoFundMe page set up, and there's been some really nice people who have donated some money so that we can buy that system. If you'd like to become a sponsor for the fire suppression system, go visit our GoFundMe page. Any donation or sponsorship will be hugely appreciated, and fingers crossed it will stop us from burning. You know what I mean? Hopefully it's one of those bits of kit we'll never have to use, but we have to have it. It's all part of the rules. So, where were we? Oh yeah, we're about to paint the car. Run VT. Drop the bloody tack rag on the floor. Well, it's properly chilly this morning. I've definitely left it too late to paint really, but you know, got to carry on. Let's see what the body temperature is. Yeah, it is body temperature, isn't it? Oh, look at that, 9.2. That's pretty cold, isn't it? What's my temperature? No COVID for me, I'm alright. Anyway, I guess I've got to get some heating in there before I start painting, haven't I? But yeah, I'm still block sanding for what it's worth. Literally looked on Facebook and there was a set of these. Oh, gee whiz, they're hot. 4 foot long. Don't know what, 60 watts I think it was, something like that. I don't know if that makes sense. But yeah, wow, they're proper warm now. I thought they'd be good just to sort of leave in the garage on. Excuse me, I'm on the Sprite. Yeah, so yeah, I thought these would work just to leave on overnight or whatever, just to keep the ambient temperature down, but they're actually pushing out quite a bit of heat. Ow. And I've got a couple of these as well. This is all, they're like a bar type heater. OVs, I won't have them switched on when I'm painting, but again, it'd be nice. I've got 2 of those, so I might have a play tonight, just see how the temperature changes, you know, what it does. Oh yeah, 8 quid each. happy with them. Because I'm pretty rubbish at concentrating, I'm going to just paint the roof on its own, because that way I can concentrate on just that one job and see how it goes. I've got some heaters, going to whack those on in a minute, shut the garage door and see what that does to the temperature inside here. Actually, I don't know what the... See if that affects the temperature inside the garage. Right. Well, to be honest, I'm getting a little bit depressed because the roof is quite rubbish. There's definitely dry streaks in there. Focus for me. Yeah, there's dry streaks where I couldn't get the fan pattern right when the gun sort of messed me around. And obviously when I opened the door, great big chunks of, look at that, boulders landed in it. So, you know, I can probably pick those out and touch it up and then polish it. But yeah, it's times like these I think I really should get somebody who knows what they're doing to do it. But anyway, that can be done another day. I can't build this car until this stuff's red, so got to have a go at that, haven't I? Otherwise I'm never going to go rallying. So it's what, 6:30 in the morning. It's quite a chilly morning. I've got my little heaters on. Look at them. The actual forecast looks slightly warmer for tomorrow. Might be wiser just to do it tomorrow instead of today.
Tomorrow.
You know what? I'm in that sort of position where I'm going, damn, that looks good. But I feel like I need to give it just maybe one more coat. But I'm like, worried. Can't see any runs yet. Plenty of dents. But I'm thinking, oh, don't cock it up. One more coat maybe. I'm like, half of me saying just leave it, Kev, because it looks great. So this is one tack coat and I think 2 full coats. But I'm very tempted, knowing the abuse that it's going to get, and I'm probably going to have to polish a lot of it out anyway. Give it one more coat. This is my first attempt at trying to do a proper job. I have painted cars in the past, but they have literally been like race car paint jobs. Or I painted my van and it was just like a case of, you know, rub it down with some sandpaper, whack some paint on it. But this time I've tried to do it properly, you know. So yeah, the front looks really good because I don't want to make excuses. But obviously this is a really small garage. And this bit here is a little bit dull. And I think many combinations. I'm going to make a video just on what the mistake. Look, I'm like trying to paint like this, and so yeah. So I don't think I've got my overlap just right. Obviously, where I've got space at the back here, this looks quite nice because I've got the room to do it all around here. But of course, you get to here as well. It gets a little bit tight. Roof's been painted. The inside's been painted. Have a peek. You can't see anything in there, can you? Then I painted the roof and I painted the outside. It's probably going to need a polish or something. It was a real love-hate experiment. A love-hate task. Some bits I really enjoyed, some bits I was just like, why am I even bothering? So I'm going to strip all the masking tape off now and start to put it back together again. Okay, I've got a bare shell. I've set myself a target of trying to get it ready for the Motorsport UK Passport for December. So that's 2 months because it's the 1st of October. Right, let's go.